Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English class, and today we are going to do our book spelling power. Okay, so you all know that you have to take out your spelling power book for class 2 part 2 as you can see on your screen, and please turn to page number 3. So children, I hope on page number 3, last time I have completed this page, so I hope you all have done this page, in which we have done 2 exercises, exercise part 1 and part 2, in which we have to change the first letters, and in the second we have to change the last letters. So I hope you all have completed this exercise as you can see on your screens. Now today we are going to start another part of this exercise. So turn to page number 4. As you can see, part 3, fill in the missing letters to form the following words. Is that clear? Now children, coming to the third part, in this what you have to do, that you have to fill in these missing letters, and what are these words you can see from these help box. Okay, these words are given in the help box, so you can take help from these words as you can get the correct spellings from here. Is that clear? So shall we start with this exercise? Very good. So the first word here is M-N. Okay. So the word here will be M-N. You can see here the correct spelling is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Okay. So what you will do? You will write down M. M is written already. You have to write O and another O, and again N is written. So the correct word will be moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Is that clear? Now next word, B-L-. What is this word, children? Now from here you can see B dash with L. So here it is bell. So the correct spelling will be B-E-L-L, bell. Is that clear? I hope you all are getting this exercise. Now next is G-N. Now what is the word given here with the letter G? This is the word G. So G-A-I-N, gain. Is that clear? So what you have to write here, G is already written. You have to write A, I, and N is also written here. So G-A-I-N, gain. Is that clear, children? Now next word is T-L. So what is the correct word here? T-A-I-L, tail. So what you will write here? T-A-I-L, tail. Is that clear? So your spelling is T-A-I-L, tail. Now next word, M-L. Now what is the word here with M and L? It is this word, meal. M-E-A-L, meal. So what you have to write? M is already written. You have to write E, A, and L is already written. So the word is meal. M-E-A-L, meal. Now coming to the next word, that is F-N-. Now what is the word? Here there are 2 words given with letter F, starting with F, but you have to see that where N is also given. So in this word N is written but not in this. So we will write this word here, F-I-N-E, fine. Okay, so what you will write? F is written, you have to write I, then N is also written, you have to write E. F-I-N-E, fine. Now coming to the next word, that is R-D. Now what is the word with letter R? This is road. R-O-A-D, road. So you will write, R is given, you have to write O and A, then D is written. So the correct word is road. R-O-A-D, road. Now the last word, F-L-. So what is the correct word for this? F-L-A-T, flat, which is written here. So you have to write, F-L is given, you have to write A and then T. Is that clear? So your word is flat. F-L-A-T, flat. So I hope children you all have understood the third part. Now moving towards the fourth question. Is that clear? Now in this fourth question, what you have to do, find the same kind of words from the box and write them down. Now here are some groups of words given and you have to search for the correct word from this group only. Okay, and here the help box is given, so you have to write the words from this help box. Okay, so let's get started children. First is cup, glass, plate. Now which category this is? This is the category of utensils. ये बर्तन के नाम है, like cup, glass and plate. So what is the utensil given here? Spoon. Here we have written with spoon, so we will write here spoon. What you will write? S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Is that clear? Now coming to the next part. Cow, goat, dog. Now these are all animals. Okay, so here we have given in the help box with the word hare, H-A-R-E, hare. So we will write it here, H-A-R-E, hare. Is that clear? Now next is cars, bikes, trucks. These are vehicles. So what is the other vehicle given here? Vans. So we will write here V-A-N-S, vans. Now next is crow, kite, parrot. Now these are all birds. Is that clear? Now next is crow, kite and parrot. So these are birds. So what is the name of other bird given in this help box? The bird is owl, O-W-L, owl. So you will write here O-W-L, owl. Is that clear children? Now next is bat, doll, car. So now next category is bat, doll, car. So these are all toys. Okay, toys are given here. So what is the name of toy given in this help box? That is ball, B-A-L-L, ball. So we will write here B-A-L-L, ball. Is that clear children? Now next is bun, eggs, cake. Now all these things are eatables. Okay, these are all eatable things, bakery items. So what are the other what is the other eatable items given here? Meat, M-E-A-T, meat. Okay, so we will write here M-E-A-T, meat. Is that clear? Now next is apple, melon, plum. These are all fruits. So what is the name of other fruit given in this help box? Grapes. So we will write here G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Is that clear? Now coming to the next, cub, pup, pony. Now C-U-B, cub, P-U-P, pup and P-O-N-Y, pony. Now all these three are names of baby animals. Okay, so what is the next baby animal given here in the help box? It is kitten. Baby of a cat is kitten. So we will write here K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Is that clear? Now next is boxes, glasses, dresses. So these are all things. And what is the other thing given here? Mats, M-A-T-S, mats. So we will write here M-A-T-S, mats. And in the last, 2, 4, 6, T-W-O-2, F-O-U-R 4, S-I-X 6. So all these three are names of numbers, number names. These are all number names. And what number name is given here in the help box? 5, F-I-V-E, 5. So we will write it here, F-I-V-E, 5. So children, I hope you all have understood with these two exercises. So this is the first part of today's assignment. In today's assignment, I will be giving you two parts, videos in two parts. So first video is this, first part is this, and now we will be moving towards a second part video in which we will be doing our chapter number 1. Is that clear? So make sure that you watch, first of all you watch the first part video very carefully and then complete all the work in your spelling power book and then move to your second part video. Is that clear children? So before starting second part video, till then, bye bye.